How to replace the speakers. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, heatsink, display panel assembly, and I/O board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the retention tape that secures the speaker cable to the top cover. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the motherboard to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the standoffs on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.